Good evening. How are you?
Good evening. I'm good. Doing good.
Okay, so as you know, this is the speaking part of the IELTS today, which is taking place as ISIP on 8th January. My name is Teacher Hazel. What should I call you?
My name is Misanta, but you can call me just Chan.
Yeah, thank you, Chen. Okay, let's start. Now, in this first part of the test, I'm going to ask you some personal question about yourself. All right. Do you have a lot of free time?
Yeah, during this pandemic, I have a lot of free time. I have to stay alone and stay at homes, and because of the lockdown, I've used to have to spend time with my families as well, and I can have spend time in my garden because I love to spend time in it.
Okay, what sort of things do you like doing outside?
I think it's hiking because in my city there is a hiking place. Like everyone will go it. Locals know it. It's a mountain called the Bay Down, where the local will hike in there. And there's a lot of natural places over there and historical places as well.
All right, then. Is there a free time activity you would like to try in the future?
I really want to try to read because I'm very lazy to read because it's not a good habit. And I want to like break this habit and just trying to read sometime.
Okay. Do you like music?
Yes, I often listen to music wherever I'm doing my laundry, because doing a laundry or a house chore without music's kind of bored.
Okay. Have you ever learned to play a musical instrument?
Yeah, was when I was young, like I used to play piano and and also I play some flute as well. And recently I've learned how to play drums. But it's actually not my hobbies to do because I don't like to play musical instrument because they is really annoying in my ears.
What sort of things do you like doing outside?
For outdoor activities, I tend to work alone because I think it's a form of exercise that most people should do, and that's the only easy exercise that I do. So, and on top of that, I would say I run from time to time, mostly when I feel stressed by something. I would run because it's released my stress and it would reduce all the tension I've been facing with.
Okay, so what instruments do you think is the best for children to learn?
Actually, I think it's among all the instruments. I think violin it's my favorite. So I would like the children to learn the violin. And as I am pretty fond of violin instrument, I often watch those kinds of video clips from time to time. And I would love to tell about the kids, not only to stress out about learning an instrument and not frozen to learn it, just starting from watching them YouTube video or Facebook video clips about violence. Yes.
Okay, so next I'm gonna give you a topic and you have to talk it for 1 or 2 minutes. Before you talk, you will have 1 minute to think about what you're gonna say. You can make notes if you wish. So do you understand?
Sure. Yeah.
Okay, so you can have a pencil or paper for making notes, and here's your topic. Okay, time's up. All right, remember you have 1 to 2 minutes for this, so don't worry if I stop you. I'll tell you when the time is up. Can you start speaking now, please?
Yes. I would like to begin by saying that the artwork that I really like is it's a form of art by it's a form of art by creating a colorful and exquisite plates. That's
What sort of things do you like doing outside?
I like to play football with my friends when we have a chance. But since it's a pandemic and a lot of people are staying at home, so I don't get a chance hanging out with friends or like going to shopping and kind of stuff like that.
Right. Is there a free time activity you would like to try in the future?
It would be playing tennis. I'm watching a lot of tennis videos through YouTube, and I think I'm really interested in playing tennis. So yeah, I would like to try that.
Okay, so let's move to the topic of music. Do you like music?
Yes, I listen to music almost all the time. So even in my leisure time, I usually listen to music instead of playing games with my friends, or maybe go and talk with my online friends. So I usually listen to a lot of all sorts of music that are good to be listened.
Have you ever learned to play a musical instrument?
Mm, in the past, yes. I was in the ninth grade, and I used to play a flute in the school. So we had a sort of like a musical band, and I used to play flute with my colleagues. Yeah.
What instrument do you think is best for children to learn?
I think, in my opinion, it would be a guitar, because guitar is a kind of thing that you can carry almost everywhere, and you can also play when you are with your friends. And if you are playing, then your friends will be start singing and kind of stuff like that. Yeah.